Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So far Bitcoin is behaving. Yeah, we only take a look here on the shorter time frame in this video. But Bitcoin is behaving. We're looking at getting 5 waves to the upside complete. Raised my concern in the video earlier today that this looks very corrective. It still doesn't convince me entirely that this is going to push through here. But certainly the opportunity is there, and it's certainly good news that we're moving away from the critical support, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. That is the level that the wave 4 should not go below. If it does, then we have to do, we have to change the wave count. It would potentially be an issue to the higher level wave count. Yeah, we're looking at a possible 1-2-1-2 setup in that case. What still can happen, and this would only get much less likely if we push a little bit higher, this could still be an A wave down, a B wave up in 3 waves. Yeah, we can clearly see that A, B, C, and then a C wave to the downside, which could reach here 17,500 or 17,300. Wouldn't be surprised by that, to be honest. Yeah, and then we have the low here, but then it wouldn't be a wave 4. It would most likely be a 1-2-1-2 setup. Okay, so if we now take a look at this pattern, because this is what we see in the chart, so we can currently assume against the latest support of 17,620, we can push higher. Yeah, obviously we've got another catalyst later today, which is the Fed interest rate decision. That will be interesting. And while I'm speaking here, this looks interesting. Yeah, so primary expectation at the moment is pushing higher because that is what we see. I still need to raise my concerns if I see them. But the primary expectation would be that this is going to be here a 5th wave. I don't have a very clear picture of the lower level wave count. I mean, what this could be is a wave 1 in a leading diagonal. They're always difficult. Then a wave 2 down here. This now a wave 3. Then we get a wave 4 and a wave 5 up. And then we should move into a larger wave 4 retracement. Yeah. So at the moment it's going according to plan. This wave 3 should push to the 1.618 extension. So ideally 18,075. Yeah. So a little bit more is missing, and that is the minimum it needs to do, 18,070 or 18,071. From here though it should push, one second, let me just, yeah, no, that's correct, 18,075 roughly. And from here, it could push even higher, maybe 18,154, the 200% extension in the wave 3. But then we should see a little bit of a wave 4. That should normally be quite a shallow retracement, just a breathing out, breathing in, whatever. Just a bit of relaxation before we push higher in this final wave 5, which could then take us to around 18,300 here in the 2.618 extension. That depends a little bit on how high does the wave 3 really go. But just that you get an idea. So, and then again, this should then move down in a wave 4. I can't really give you a target for that yellow wave 4, but for now it's going according to plan. However, you see clearly we only have 3 waves at the moment. This could just be an ABC and come down once more in a C wave. So A, B, C, and ABC within the B wave. Let's assume this is an ABC. So let's assume we've got this A down, B up, C down. When will the wave B get less likely? And here's the tricky part, because B waves are extremely annoying, very difficult to forecast. Now, we've already reached the 88.7% Fib level. That means it's already unlikely that this is just a B wave. Yeah, because the B wave should in the most likely cases, or most frequently, it should stop at the 78.6% Fib level. It should ideally not push higher than that. Yeah, it can certainly, but it shouldn't really. And if it does, it becomes a flat pattern, but the move down here I consider a 5-wave move. So we can't really have a flat, because in a flat pattern you have wave A as 3 waves, wave B as 3 waves, and the wave C should come crashing down. My interpretation is that this A wave is a 5-wave move, so the B wave should be quite shallow actually, not go above the above the 78.6% Fib level. So we just pushed a bit higher still. So let's just remind ourselves what I just said about the target for the wave 3. Did we reach that now with the latest push? Not quite, but I mean, we were nearly there. Maybe this is now done. Still would like to see a bit higher, but we have to be prepared. This is done. We've got a small wave 4 retracement. If we now come down in this small wave 4, we should hold the 17,937 level, 17,937 level, and then push higher in the wave 5. So it's interesting, yeah. It's all about, this is really all about holding that $17,600 level. As long as we're holding that, it's fine. And against that support level, I would look at moving higher. If we do not hold this level, then we have to look at a 1-2-1-2 setup, and critical support will become $17,100. Below that, we've got 16,875. But for me, the primary expectation is still up, because it's currently following nicely the wave count. And again, next big catalyst will be today the Fed interest rate decision, and we are all looking forward to that. So yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.